Hi, I'm Evan, and welcome back to the Canvas Tutorials Show. On today's episode, I want to point you to a resource. This is such an amazing resource that I was in the middle, and I'm just jamming it out, putting together our district's training for teachers, and I had to stop and make this video because this resource, this course template, that you can download out of the Commons is so good that everybody needs to hear about it. And so I want to show it to you. This is a Canvas bootcamp, and it was created by Lourcey. And here we go. And so, wrong slide. Find the right one. Here it is. And so if you go to the Commons, you can navigate to it. It's Canvas Bootcamp Virtual. As well, you can. I create a bit.ly link, bit.ly, the Canvas Bootcamp. The Canvas Bootcamp. It's that good. And so you can then import it into your own course. I really suggest that you create a sandbox course to import the entire thing in because it's going to change everything around. But let me show you. I have it open here. And so here, what Don Lourcey has done for his school is created probably the most resource-rich, thorough training that I've seen. I mean, it's almost too much. But as I'm doing my boot camp, not boot camp, but as I'm putting together our training, I'm looking at some of the thoughts that he had, and I'm pulling ideas. Okay, and the beautiful thing is that Lourcey's training here, it's open source, so all you have to do is you need to attribute him. You can click on this attribution link up here in the Commons to learn how to do that. But here he's got great navigation showing you how they use the true boot camp theme and the idea of basic training and officer training, etc., etc. And then as you go in, it goes even deeper into the different parts of the training. So for example, let's go just to the modules. I have it preloaded here, and just resource rich. Every single page has so many things, and you'll probably pick up some tips on course design, just how he has designed this course. For example, using great graphics to tell you what to do. He created a bunch of great graphics. Look at this one. I'm going to pull this straight into my training course. It's just a great poster. This is another one that I'm just going to have to use and attribute it to him because this is a thing link, and it allows teachers and students to click on different parts to understand how modules work. And then he's even created videos or a link to video tutorials. Some are his, some are others, to help them to do that. So I can't suggest this enough. There's that URL again, bit.ly, the Canvas Bootcamp. Go and download it. If you haven't gotten any training from your school yet, create a course, download it, and just go through it. If you're building a course to train your teachers in your district, create a course, download it, and then start pulling ideas from him. Even if you end up using your own designer or your own style of things, there's so many good resources in there that is just worth your time. Don Lourcey, thank you so much for putting together this bootcamp, and more than that, thank you for sharing it out with the greater community so that we can all have access to it. Hey, this has been another tutorial. It's really a resource rich from the Canvas Tutorial Show. If you like what you see, then make sure you hit the follow button so you get every new episode. Make sure you join the group Canvas Tutorials community. And again, if you like this video, if you like any of the other videos, share it out specifically to colleagues. Let them know that there's goodness here for them. So have a great day.